How to use Delta Ecredit to book a flight. To use your Delta Ecredits, first, log into your Delta SkyMiles account on the Delta website. Navigate to your profile and select Certificates, Vouchers, and AMP Ecredits. Your active Delta Ecredits or vouchers should be visible there, displaying the amount of the credit and the expiration date. Redeem Delta Ecredits. While booking a flight, log into your SkyMiles account and choose your preferred flights. During the payment process, select Use Ecredits to apply your available Ecredits. You can use up to 5 Ecredits at once, and any remaining balance will be refunded as a new credit if the flight costs less than your Ecredit amount. Booking for multiple travelers. If booking for multiple travelers, select the appropriate number of passengers when searching for flights. Enter each traveler's information and SkyMiles account number. During the payment step, choose Use Ecredits and apply the Ecredits to each traveler individually. Best use of Delta Ecredits. Look for flights that offer the best value for your Ecredits. Take advantage of Thrifty Traveler Premium for regular updates on great Delta flight deals. Make sure to utilize your Delta Ecredits before they expire to make the most of your travel benefits. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.